Are you looking to achieve salon-style curls right at home? Then this 1.25-inch curling iron from ABP has made it way easier than I thought. Hey guys, I'm Rebecca with WTI, and right away I noticed how amazing this wand made my hair look and feel. My hair doesn't feel dry or damaged after use, and my curls come out even, and it glides through my hair really smoothly without snagging it. It also comes with a heat-resistant glove and a styling comb, which is super useful. There are 15 heat settings, which makes it perfect depending on your hair type or the look you're going for. It heats up super fast too. I noticed that it's ready in about 30 seconds, so you're not waiting around to start styling. And it also has a 60-minute automatic shutoff for safety, which is so practical, especially when you're in a rush. The overall design feels lightweight and really easy to handle, which makes styling your hair so much more enjoyable. The barrel size makes it really versatile, so whether you want tighter curls or soft, loose waves, it's perfect. This curling iron gets you quick, long-lasting curls without the salon price tag, and that's my point of view.